Hi friends! So today I want to show you the Erin Condren Productivity Notebook. I have wanted one of these. Sorry for the glare. All the lights, right? I've wanted one of these for a while, but they're kind of pricey, you know, for a notebook. They're, I think, $20. And so I was just like, you know, 20 bucks for a notebook is steep, right? But there are a lot of things that I think make it worth it. For one, it does have the interchangeable cover. So if there's a different cover that you're wanting for your life planner, you could switch it out with your notebook. So that kind of takes down the cost a little bit if you're wanting an extra cover anyway. And two, now I wouldn't probably use this for my just everyday, just scratching down, you know, things or whatever, but I really think that if you have something specific for it, this makes a really, really great notebook. I'm actually going to be using mine for different craft projects and video ideas and different things. I also think it would be great for, but for budgeting and different things like that. So I'm going to take you through, just take you through it to show you what comes in the notebook, some little things I like about it and why I think it's worth it. And anyway, let's get started. Okay, so here is a top-down view of the notebook. Sorry for the glare again. It does come with the interchangeable cover, so you can change it out with your life planner or different notebooks or whatever. It just pops back on, and then here's my life planner for this year. So I got like kind of coordinating ones so that I could switch them back and forth. So so that is that. Oh, I missed one of those little teeth. Okay, and again, you can personalize it on a lot of Erin Condren things. You can change a lot of the colors and different things. So that is really, really lovely. I love that. It does come with the same Erin Condren coil. These coils, guys. I mean, you could literally, I swear, you could run them over with a truck. They are so good quality. Like these, they're just nothing beats the Erin Condren coil. Okay, when you first open it up, you will see a dashboard. This is, again, the same cover as comes in the life planners, so they all have like this nice dashboard. This dashboard is a, you can use wet erase markers on it. You don't want to use dry erase because it will smear over to your other pages, but if you use wet erase markers, it won't do that. Also, if you can use a Sharpie, and if you use a Sharpie, you just use a little bit of alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and take that off, and it works just fine. So this is your first page, the Erin Condren Take Note, and I got mine. You can get it in, I think there's 2 or 3 different styles. You can get it in the productivity, you can get it in the regular college ruled, and I'm not sure. I think that there's one other style that you can get it in. Do the right things. That's cute. And then it has this book belongs to you, put your name, and of course all of Erin Condren's products are made in the USA, which I love. As you turn the page, there is a quotes page. This is really cute. If you own an older version, this I think was a solid color, and now they've just added just a little bit more color. And then you get into the productivity pages. So one of the things, now again, I have not ordered one of these before, but I have seen pictures of ones, and so just a few of the changes is that they used to come in just a few different colors, and they were divided out by sections. So you would have like all the pink together, all the orange together, and so on. This year they have alternated the colors, so I really like that. I mean, I think that if you were doing it in sections, like, okay, I needed this section for this subject or this or that, whatever, then I don't know, maybe you would rather have it all together. But I really, really like this. You can always paperclip or, you know, put tabs or whatever for different sections, but it comes with the lined pages here, and then it has your productivity kind of area over here with a header, and it does have like the little circles on every other line, so you have plenty of room to write things like that. On the alternating pages on this side, you have a completely just lined notebook page, and then you have the more productivity side over here. Honestly, I would have liked to have seen the same setup on both pages, just simply because of what I'm going to be using it for. I will probably kind of divide mine and do that kind, because again, I want to use mine for video ideas and craft things, and I can over here I can put like a list of the materials I need, or a list of things that I want to make sure that I tell you guys if I had an issue with something and I want to make sure that I bring it up or something like that, I want to be able to do that. So it works out really well. This would also work really well for homework, and again, with budgeting, it would be really, really great for budgeting. You could list different bills and different things and make different columns or whatever. Also, you can also get these dashboards that Erin Condren sells. These are so great. So this one is the monthly bills, and I just got this one in, and you can write, and it's got January through December, and then it has first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, things like that down here, and then a savings tracker in the back. And what I love about it is it just pops in all of Erin Condren's things, dashboards and different things just pop in, and so you can pop it in, and then you can take it out and move it to different pages. They stay really well. I'm trying to work around the camera, but they are not hard to get in and out. And so these little dashboards, I have the ruler that comes with the Erin Condren Life Planner. It also will fit over here, so you can just make it your own. So that's one of the things I like about having this notebook, is that I can design it for a lot of different things. So I do think that I'll be ordering more in the future. Again, I think it'll make a great budget thing, make great for school. It'll also make great things for journaling, wedding planning, so many different things this could be used for. So again, as you turn each page, it will be a different color. Some of the pages have cute little quotes at the top, some don't. I think that they're just kind of mixed in randomly. I mean, they may be on ever so many pages, I'm not sure, but I like the little quotes and things like that. There are 120 pages, I believe, to the notebook, so it is much smaller than, if you're worried about having something like big and bulky, it is much smaller than the Life Planner. So, for example, now I have the 18-month planner, so it's a big honkin' planner, but you can see the differences in the coil size. So if you're worried about, oh, I don't want another big bulky thing like my planner, you can get this, and it is much, much smaller, so you don't have to worry about that. So again, all of the pages look the same with the lined paper over here and the productivity side over here. And then you get to the back. Okay, so at the very back, there is a quotes page and the standard Erin Condren labels. I love these labels. These would be great to label different things or make different sections. So many different things. Or if you have a Life Planner, you can just use an extra for the Life Planner. These are so easy to write on. They are removable. I will say they're a little difficult if you want. They're not very well replaceable. So you can remove them, but sticking them back down, sometimes they lose a little bit of their stickiness, which is fine. If they were, any more sticky, then they wouldn't be removable, right? And so, but yeah, so you can do those. And again, some people just use a little glue if they want to put them back down somewhere. But I love the Erin Condren stickers. And then on the back is just a plain dashboard. Again, you can use your Sharpie, you can use a wet erase marker, so many things. And look at the back. Oh my gosh, such a beautiful, beautiful cover. Okay, so that is just a quick look at the productivity notebook. Again, it might be a little expensive for just a notebook, but I really think that I've seen journals and things that are more than $20. I love that it's customizable with your name. I love that it has the interchangeable cover. I love that all of the dashboards, and there's several different ones. That's the only one I have right now, but there's several different things that you can turn this notebook into. Again, beautiful for school, beautiful for budgeting, wedding planning, event planning, so many different things that you can also put like a family picture on here and different things, guys. There's just so much that you can do with them, and I absolutely love it. As always, there is a $10 off your first Erin Condren order code in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching and spending time with me. I can't wait to see you in more planner and craft videos. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.